everybody, welcome to another episode of Fish Keeping Jamaica. Today I'll be looking at an awesome fish channel by the name of Fish Laws 1. Now, Fish Laws 1 is, the owner is Skip. It's a very interesting channel and I hope that you enjoy this video. Stay tuned as I'll be in the background speaking about the channel and the different aspects of this channel. It's a short channel, short video. It's a very short video. It's hope that you enjoy it. Stay tuned. Fish Keeping Jamaica, I from the rock. Fish Laws 1 is owned and operated by Skip. Skip is a very nice individual as it comes on to the whole idea of communication and respecting each person for who they are. Right? He has a very awesome channel, very informative, and as you can see, he's fun going. He is a businessman. He is an educated person in that he shares knowledge with fish research that he has done. Right? He is an experienced fish keeper and he has been on the YouTube fish tubers for circuit for a very long time. Now Skip has some unique fish. I guess persons like E-Money equals Flower Horn would love to take in some of his lovely fish with the bump. Probably he is actually subscribed to him anyway, but this is more than a shout out. This is just to point out the whole humble nature of fish keeping, how an individual can be so humble, so nice, so interested with his delivery and with his information that would warrant him to be one of those persons, although not really what you would call a fish tuber with a lot of subscribers, but his channel is awesome. I mean, his channel is really awesome.
That one you're dedicated to all who say me nah come out to nothing. For all who when I want get to youth fi have nothing.